Like right foot creek, walking with the hater. Looking around, still make sure they don't see ya.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Nobody.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jalen from Jalen Nation. We back with another video. You know what I'm saying? In today's video, we finna be getting on and talking on my AR pistol. I wanted to say that too. Also, that only been in the gun world for like the legal gun world for like 3 months now. So don't chew me in the comments and be like, man, you should have bought this, you should have bought that. Matter of fact, chew me in the comments and tell me what I should have bought.
If you're doing it, stop it. Get some help.
So, like I said, let me know in the comments how y'all feel. What y'all recommendations should I do? Please like and comment, subscribe on the video too also, because we're gonna roll to 1,000. You know what I'm saying? So we almost there, you know what I'm saying, to getting to the point where we want to be. I'm not really worried about the monetization stuff, none of that. I'm gonna be honest, YouTube or my fans, I'm not worried about none of that. I'm worried about reaching my subscriber goal, getting behind that, helping her to the point where we want to be. Put it like that, you know what I'm saying? So without further ado, without further ado, I'm gonna show y'all my Glock, because I'm pretty sure y'all see my Glock on a little short, but y'all ain't probably see it like with the camera on. Really how it look. And I do got that whole line coming for one of my subscribers, or one of them commented in the bottom in the comment section, told me to get that coming pretty soon. So this little big old blinky point gonna be on there. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, YouTube, it is clear, ain't nothing in the head. So yes, I was flashing a gun that didn't have nothing in there, no live ammo. Also this other one too as well. But let's get off the topic of that. My AR pistol, man. You know what I'm saying? Now let me go ahead and talk about the specs. You know what I'm saying? I believe it's a 5-inch barrel, maybe 3.5-inch barrel.
Shut your stupid.
Could be wrong. You know what I'm saying? Nah, ladies. I got the scope on there. You know what I'm saying? So I'm ready whenever. So you already know.
Out the staircase. Hung, 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 hung.
You know what I mean? And this mug cost me like $30. Nah, let me stop. This is my son. This is my son. The holy fail. Serenity. You know what I'm saying? I paid 500 bones for this. Yes, I know y'all probably finna chew me in the comments and say, man, you should have bought something better, you should have bought an AR, you should have bought this, you should have bought that. I went with what I knew and what I knew best. And also too, I went with like an AK style type AR pistol, even though not it's a micro AK and it's a mini AK. But I still wanted something that was like an AR platform, still like kind of simulate the AK.
Oh, no! No! No!
And the overrides of the AK. And what I mean by overrides of the AK is, I mean, charging handle. Yes, YouTube, there's nothing in the mag. Should have probably did that. I showed y'all. It's a clear mag. I paid $25 for this mag. This mag did not come with the firearm at all. The upper, I believe, is from Bear Creek Arsenal. This is the Gen 2 upper with the rail on the bottom and all that. I really don't know too much about the Gen 1, but I do know this, how like the research I've been doing, that they perfected their craft on the Gen 2. Not every Gen 2, you can tell it's a Gen 2 because it has this little black little bolt. So when I slide it back, if you don't catch, then this little bolt is gonna help you catch to the point where I don't even really gotta do nothing. Probably maybe give it a little tap, but I doubt that. It haven't been giving me no problems. Cutting has been running flawlessly. I know y'all seen that I had did a little short of me letting off rounds. I dropped the mag. Reason why I dropped the mag is because I'm new to this. This is my first rodeo, and I'm just now diving head first in. I need y'all to give me some suggestions, give me some ideas, some tips. What should I do? This is a 10-inch barrel, 10.5-inch barrel from Bear Creek Arsenal. The lower is from Paul Middle State.
Oh, fuck! Head, my head!
Y'all finna chew me in the comments, go ahead and chew me, tell me what I should do, how should I fix it. Ain't nothing wrong with it, but just let me know what should I do, what should I add on to it. I spent $27 on the flip up sites. So that's the case for a sticky situation. I got this Amazon light that I had a while back.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
But you know, I do the job. My sites and stuff is lined in too, so it is accurate. So I ain't missing shit. But this was basically to simulate AK. In my opinion, this can stop cars did $13, I believe, $13. I went and bought another little rail mount for the side so I can add the whole light, do all that because I know it's on the Glock. That's why I gotta get another whole light. If I wanted to, just easily change that boy just like this. Now I got Merry Christmas. You know what I'm saying? Merry Christmas. No, let's stop. But yeah, if I ever wanted to do that, or you know what I'm saying, even play with somebody, turn the flashlight on. Now you know what I'm saying? It's an AR pistol, so I'm pretty sure I'm cool with it. I ride with it with me everywhere I go. I now leave my firearms at home. I do have a safe, but I need to get a bigger one. But all my firearms come with me. I ride around with them all day, every day. Don't get into no issues. I stay in South Bend, Indiana. They don't really give us too many issues as far as in the law and all that. I mean, it's crappy police, but they don't really give us no issue. And if you legal, you legal. I'm legal, so I know what I'm doing. You feel me? But yeah, it's a 10.5-inch barrel. Upper from Bear Creek Arsenal, lower from PSA, Palmetto State. And to be honest, I'm just gonna end it like I can't end it up like that. But I'm just gonna, all I'm gonna say is this boy's been running flawless. I know, and I've seen a lot of people in y'all comments, cause look, I do my research. I'm not biased about what y'all comment, but I do be seeing what y'all do comment underneath other people's stuff. And I saw so many people saying, well, the reason why your gun is running bad or da-da-da-da, because you have a BCA upper and you got a PCA lower. Or somebody would even mix radical firearms upper and a PCA lower, or you know what I'm saying? Y'all don't like the mix and stuff, and I get that. 100% I get it. Everything should be authentic, everything should be the same thing, just like how Glock, every other gun, every AR platform, it all should be the same. But with this, it's kind of like an AR pistol. It's customizable. You're supposed to do what you want to do and act the way how you want to act. This gun has never gave me no problems. I think I ran, 150 shells out of this. Still haven't even cleaned it. Went to the range twice. Still haven't done nothing. Haven't jammed on me, none of that. I rely my life on this. I feel like this would be your worst nightmare if you ran into my house. I feel like that this is more so home defense firearm. You know what I'm saying? Out in public or out in traffic or anything like that, I'm gonna use this. Straight go to the Glock because I feel like, I don't know. Yes, I have more accuracy with this. I'm gonna be honest, I do. By going to the range most of the time, but I will still use this. Push up shell. You know what I'm saying? This is just the essential. It's just the case. Anybody running the crib, baby girl could rock out with string. It's over with. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'm gonna start by saying, I love this bad boy. And this boy only ran me 500 bones. So, you can't beat that. You cannot beat that. It shoots 5.56, 2.23s. Yeah, this boy's a monster. I appreciate this. This is one, like I said, this is one of my new cops because I'm just not getting into the firearm world. Please let me know what I can do. Please let me know if I can cheat a website so I can get new buffers.
Oh, fuck it. Damn.
Tails, websites where I can get flip up sites, something, because where I'm from is kind of like a small town, so you're gonna have to order stuff to get your gun looking the way how you want to, or you're gonna have to ship it out to get it looking like how you want to, like how you see all the other gun YouTubers, because like I said, they don't expect nobody in my town to walk around with something like this, like how most cities does, but it'll do the job though. Definitely do the job. It's your boy Jalen from Jalen Nation, and I'm out. I love y'all. Peace. Also, a public announcement to Handling Grip. I'm gonna need my money back because I had to cut this to make this shit fit. You wanna know why you think I'm fucking lying? You think I'm lying? I had to cut this to make it fit. Wanna know why I had to cut it to make it fit? Because they sent me a Gen 3. I'm gonna put it at the top of the screen of what I ordered and what I purchased too. I'm gonna need y'all to either give me my money back or send the right one. Cause I'm coming for y'all. It ain't over. So I say it's over.